Namaste. Welcome to day 26 of our 30-day Carnatic revision challenge based on Sangeetha Balapadam book 1. Today's lesson, Geetham 13, Sriramachandra. In this revision, we'll sing only the Sahithyam in first and second speeds. If you would like to revise the swaras for all Geethams, check out my Geetham course. I have added the playlist link below. Let's begin. Sagari gama padhani sa sani da upama ghari sa sagari gama padhani sa sani da upama ghari sa Sriramachandra Shruti Jata Samasta Kalyana Guna Bhairavi Sita Mukamboruha Saujari Eka Virantaro Mangalamata No Srirama Sriramachandra Shruti Samasta Kalyana Guna Bhairavi Sita Mukamboruha Saujari Nirantaro Mangalamata No Sriramachandra. That completes day 26, Geetham 13, Sriramachandra. Keep practicing daily to strengthen your voice, rhythm and clarity. Tomorrow we'll move to day 27, Swarajati 1. Comment where you are joining from and subscribe to continue your 30-day Carnatic journey. Thank you.